Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be teaching you Google Fi eSIM activation and how you can activate Google Fi eSIM, whatever you call it. So let's just begin. So there are two things that you are going to be doing. First, you need to head over to Google Fi Wireless, and from there you're going to be simply trying for free. So simply click on this get started option, but before this I suggest you check whether your device is supported with your eSIM, Google Fi eSIM or not. So for that you can head over to another site, which is, let me just actually go back. So this is the Google Fi compatibility platform. So simply head over to Google Fi Wireless and head over to phones. This is going to be telling you whether your device is compatible or not. So let's just say I have an iPhone SE from 2016, or it is an older model. So let's just say it was purchased in international, or maybe you don't know. Click on I don't know and you can see your phone isn't compatible with Fi. It is going to be telling you every single thing. Once you get it done, simply head over to Google Fi Wireless and create your account and get your eSIM, and that's how you can easily get it. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.